Good morning to you. I'm not going to shout because I'm obnoxious, but I'm going to miss this place. Utterly stunning, absolutely loved it in this hotel. Could definitely do another day or two chilling and relaxing here. However, we have a prior engagement with Halong Bay. We have a boat waiting for us. We're going to do one night mini cruise. I'll share it with you unfolds. We've got 3 hours of driving until we get there, so we'll probably try and catch 40 winks in the car as well. See you on the other side. Time to get back into the pimp wagon. We've got about an hour to go until we get there. We're already starting to get glimpses here of what is on offer. Very, very obviously Vietnamese landscapes, just really jutting rock. You know, like fingers almost coming out. It's amazing. Anyway, about an hour away, I think. Super comfortable in there. So yeah, looking forward to it. Okay, we are well happy. Tracy just said, this is amazing. They're so cute, waving you onto the boat and dropping little petals on your head as you enter the boat. And the room's got everything in it, a sink, a shower, a toilet. And we've got a packed itinerary coming up. I'm already starting to get a bit pink, which is why I put some sunblock on. Anyway, I'll share it with you as it unfolds, but it's set to be amazing. brings us to the end of an epic day, and what a spectacularly beautiful place this is. People told me it was, and wow, I am not disappointed. Absolutely stunning. Even the cheesy stuff on the boat, you know, was really good fun. Obviously the hero moments for me being that I won the MasterChef competition for creating the best Vietnamese spring roll. Followed that up, by the way, with also pulling in the biggest squid that anyone pulled in on the boat today as well, when we did a little bit of squid fishing by torchlight, which is funny enough how I'm doing this. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the footage. I know I took loads and loads of it, and maybe just all the same to you, but I'm hoping it came across just how spectacular this place truly is. Tomorrow is going to be one big day of traveling. However, I'm going to fully enjoy the morning that we have planned on this boat before we have to leave and head off to Cambodia and Angkor Wat. Hope you've had an awesome day. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you tomorrow and we'll do it all over again. Good night.